The AlohaAir Small Dehumidifier 34-ounce model pulls a surprising amount of moisture out of the air for such a compact unit, making small rooms feel noticeably drier and less clammy. Its lightweight body, integrated handle, and small footprint make it easy to move between bedroom, bathroom, closet, or recreational vehicle without taking up much space. The clear water tank lets you see exactly how much moisture it has collected, and the tank design makes it straightforward to remove, empty, and clean. Automatic shutoff when the reservoir is full, along with a clear warning light, adds a reassuring layer of safety if you leave it running while you are out. The very quiet operation and gentle 7-color nightlight option make it well suited for use in a bedroom where you want both comfort and minimal noise. Low daily energy use and a multi-year warranty from the manufacturer give confidence that it can run regularly without driving up power bills or feeling like a short-term purchase.